What's up, guys? It's Kat. Do you like my shirt? Merry Elfin Xmas. This is like my favorite Christmas shirt. Since I'm going to be moving hopefully by December, I don't want to go crazy decorating my room, but I do want to like put a few of my favorite Christmas things up because y'all know Christmas is my favorite time of the year. So I did a video like this back in September where we decorated for fall time, so now we're going to decorate for Christmas time together. Hi guys, what's up? It's currently the night before I filmed this. Whatever you just watched was tomorrow morning, if that makes sense. So basically at the moment I'm going to go around all of my fall stuff, take it all off, then I'm going to go to bed, sleep for the nighttime, and then wake up in the morning and have some coffee and decorate for Christmas.
If nothing is what keeps gonna keep you just for a minute. I don't know what's real, but I really wanna feel you now.
So here's all of the fall decor that I will put into my fall decor box for next year and put that into storage. And then these two boxes have all of my Christmas stuff that I'm gonna go through tomorrow. Say goodbye to my plain looking room and soon to be Christmassy room. Okay, so these are my two Christmas bins that have all my decor. I have a pillow in here, and then there's some more stuff underneath, and then this has like a whole bunch of little decor pieces that I'm so excited to go through. I just came back to like play my Pandora, and I was like, I hope All I Want for Christmas Is You comes on. Look what came on. You guys see how much of a big difference just a couple festive blankets and festive pillow make? It's like my room already feels so much more like Christmas just from two blankets and a pillow. So the first thing I like to do whenever I'm redecorating is take everything off of all my surfaces so that I can wipe them down. This is my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface clean, which y'all know I love, and this is in the scent Iowa Pine scent, so it's very festive. And then I am just going ahead and putting on all of my decor pieces. I started out with a garland and then just went ahead and played around with different pieces that I had and deciding what looks best, what I want to keep on there, and what I will keep in my decor box for when I move. And I don't know, I just have so much fun going through all of my decor boxes. Every single holiday season when I take out my Christmas boxes, it's like Christmas morning because I see all of the pieces that I have that I forgot about. Of course, you gotta blast your Christmas music, go around, kind of see what new decor ideas I can come up with that I didn't do last year and new ways to incorporate the pieces that I already have into my room. And a big tip when decorating for the holidays or really decorating for any time of year is you don't want to go overboard. Like y'all saw, I have an entire box full of so many different decor pieces, and if I had enough space, you better bet I would have decorated with all of it and put everything out, but that would just look too much and it would take away from the pieces that I do choose. So I really had to pick which ones were my absolute favorite. I also love putting Santa hats up there. I don't know why, but I absolutely love that. For a dresser or desk, anything like this, my number one tip that I personally think looks amazing for the Christmas time is having some sort of a garland. This one I want to say was like $5 from Walmart or something, and then I just took these little twinkly lights and wrapped them around it. And then I just had a lot of fun going through, you know, picking out different little decor pieces. I also love putting Santa hats up there. I don't know why, but I absolutely love that. Moving on to my desk, my favorite thing over here, and potentially like my favorite thing in the whole room, is this little beard of bells. I just took these bells I had, put little command hooks on either side of my mirror, and then it's like a beard of bells. How cute is that? And then of course I just took my winter Christmassy flowers. I got this from the Dollar Tree like a year ago, and then the lotion that I had there was empty, so I just put this little nutcracker coffee mug plate. Why can't I, what's it called? Coaster, nutcracker coaster, and then that way in the morning when I'm getting ready I can put my coffee on there. I have my Big Bear Powell. I've had him for like 3 years now. Tim gave me him. His name is Powell because Tim's middle name is Powell, and Tim gave me Powell, so of course I had to, you know, somehow name him after him, but I didn't want to name him Tim. That would have been weird. So this is Powell with his little Santa hat. And then for my bed, I absolutely love the blankets. The gray one is actually from Costco. The red one is from TJ Maxx. And then that white pillow, y'all, I have that like all year round, that my grandma gave me. And then that pillow is from TJ Maxx I got last year. So y'all know I've talked before about how much I love these like little mirror plates. I got this one from Walmart for only a couple bucks. Ignore how dusty it is. I have to dust that. And then this little Christmas scene that Tim's mom gave me. How adorable is it? I think it's so perfect for right here. I love the sparkles and the little scene. And then this is just my deep sleep pillow spray. It's like lavender and you spray it on your pillow before you go to bed. And then my Christmas candle. and that is my finished Christmas room. I love it. It's very simple, nothing too crazy, but like I said, it's because I'm moving. I didn't want to go overboard and then have to, like, you know, take everything down. This wasn't that difficult to do, and it won't be that difficult to undo when I need to pack it all up and take it to my new place. Ooh, if you watched until this part, comment beard of bells to represent the beard of bells that I have on my mirror. Comment beard of bells if you watched till this part. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and you want another Christmas decor video in December when I move into my new place. And I think that's all that I have to say at the moment. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.